Hello, and welcome to the Health Extension Toolkit. This toolkit has been developed based on the experiences in 18 states pioneering the health extension movement across the country. The toolkit is intended as a resource for states, universities, public health departments, or cooperative extension to begin implementing the health extension model in their own regions. We hope you'll find navigating the toolkit easy to use with everything just a point and click away. But we have prepared the following video to help users make use of all the elements contained inside. The Welcome homepage is a good place to start to show you the various elements of the Health Extension Toolkit. Besides the content of the homepage, which includes an introduction to health extension and the purpose of the toolkit, you can see various ways to navigate the site. The first is the top menu bar, from which you can navigate to any of the pages on the site. If you scroll down, however, you will see that you can learn more about the content of the toolkit and begin exploring by clicking on the modules below. If you scroll down even further, you can view the various states who are involved in health extension nationwide, and click on any part of the map to learn more about the partners in each state. At the bottom of each page, in the turquoise footer section of the site, you will also find quick access elements. You can read recent blog posts, click to find out more about each of the participating states, search the site for specific keywords or phrases, or send us a quick email. There are also quick links to our social media sites. Let's scroll back up to the top menu bar that appears on each page. Under the first tab, Toolkit Modules, 6 chapters will appear, and as you hover over each one, the modules contained inside will become available. There are 24 modules grouped into 6 chapters, and you can click on any of the modules to begin accessing information. The toolkit isn't necessarily intended to be read cover to cover, but for users to be able to click on modules that best apply to their regions and circumstances. As an example of what you can find in each toolkit module, let's navigate to the first module, aptly titled, Using the Toolkit. As you can see, each module will have a general intro in the blue box on the left, with content with section titles on the right. We have tried to make the toolkit visually pleasing and not bogged down by a lot of narrative. Therefore, each section can be maximized to view the content inside and minimized when done. To expand the section, click on the plus sign, and to minimize, click on the minus. Every module will have different sections tailored to contain some key information about that topic area. However, at the end of each module, there is a section entitled Related Literature and Tools, which contain links to articles, white papers, PowerPoint presentations, website, and other tools states can use to learn more about the subject matter in that module. You may find this section the most useful of all. There are some other key elements available in each module. Best practices and experiences from other states can be found by clicking on the star icon. In this example, the Community Toolbox from Kansas is highlighted as a best practice in online toolkit development. Also included in each module is a key contact, allowing the user quick access to a content area expert for that module to take the guesswork out of figuring out who to contact for questions, comments, or even to contribute content. At the bottom of each page are navigation tools. The home icon will take you back to the main home page, and you can use the previous module and next module buttons to navigate between the content. If you should wish to read the toolkit cover to cover, you can simply continue to click Next Module until you reach the end of the toolkit. At the bottom of each page is another navigation tool that lets you see all the chapters and modules at once. You can click on any of the turquoise bars to jump to another module. We intend for the toolkit to be a living, growing document and invite all users to collaborate by giving feedback, contributing content, or participating as an author or commenting on the Health Extension blog. Each of these elements can be accessed through the Collaborate tab on the top menu bar. Another element under the Collaborate tab is a way to email an expert directly who can provide technical assistance on a specific topic area, from understanding the health extension module, to details of primary care transformation, to health issues of specific populations, or even on developing your own online toolkit. You'll also see photos of our team so you can know where your email is headed. The toolkit is a vast resource, and although we have made every effort to catalog information appropriately, we recognize that sometimes you'll just want to quickly access a particular article, video, or tool. We realize you may see something interesting while you are navigating the toolkit, and then later can't remember just what section it was in. So we have created repositories for the elements on the site found under the Quick Find tab on the top menu. Just the tools, just the literature, and just the videos. Thumbnail images of each tool with its title underneath will lead you to a complete version on a separate window. When you open the tool or document, it will pop open in a lightbox window. Once you have read through, you can close the window and return where you were. As you can see, there are lots of documents and resources in these repositories. We also realize that there are many terms and acronyms used throughout the toolkit which may be unfamiliar, or that have different understandings between different users. Therefore, we have created a glossary of terms for easy reference. If there is a term or concept you feel is missing from this glossary, please email us so we can include it. Another quick find tool is the sitemap, which is an at-a-glance list of every page on the toolkit, so you can quickly see all the content and click to any element to jump right there. The final tab along the top menu is the About section, where you can learn more about the states involved in health extension, as well as about our funders. The Health Extension Toolkit was made possible through funding from the Commonwealth Fund and AHRQ, as well as through in-kind support from the University of New Mexico Health Sciences Center. Thank you so much for visiting the Health Extension Toolkit. Send us an email if you have any questions, concerns, or want to contribute content. We really do look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.